Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Dyon Smart TV. And to do this we'll need to click on the home button on our remote. It's located right here. Then go for the settings and scroll down for the network. Now make sure that you're using connection type as a Wi-Fi and scroll down and choose your preferred network. In this case we're gonna go for this one, and make sure that you have the 2.4 band Wi-Fi because 5G networks won't be available. Now click on it, and in this case I'm gonna disconnect because this one was already connected. And then when we click on it you should see the Wi-Fi password. Now you need to enter it. You can click on the text bowl to show the keyboard and enter your password. If you're not sure that you've entered it correctly, you can click on visible and you will see the password as it is right now. Now scroll down for the connect and click on it, and you'll be connected with the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.